So I hope there is no confusion, man, while taking the road. So this road is going to be the old road, and this road is going to be the new road. Just put this in your black Yamaha MT-15. Just put this. This is the best one, man. And this is how beautiful the new road in Shillong looks. Shillong. The road bhi byang baba. Hi, mama. So hello people, it's me, Deminder Rafaika from Shillong, and it's been a long time that me and you people didn't meet, and the timing is all around 6:49 early in the morning. So I just woke up and thought to record myself and my machine and my new helmet, which I have bought around this week only. This is my new helmet, how this is looking, and this is my GoPro setup. So now I'm going to record the new road, which has been constructed where I'm not going to reveal it now. I'm going to reveal it in my motovlog, and after a very long time I'm going to do motovlog. Now after wearing, I'm looking like this inside this helmet. Going another road to experience a different kind of fun. I'm going to show you how beautiful the road is being constructed. From here till 7th mile, or around 10 or 7 kilometers, 7, 8, 9, 10 ऐसी कुछ kilometer. Now I'm going to show you the road, bhai. Wow, the road is like wow. And these are the new banners which have been put here. Now from here the road is like wow, man, because it's been constructed very newly. So I really thought from a long time to show you people this, and the major part is somewhere else. I'm going to show that also. Now it's like if you people want to come to check your speed, or if you guys want to feel good while riding, so you guys can come here by, because the road is being, and this is the first flyover, and I'm going to go till that second flyover, which is for the first time it is being created here. So if you people wanted to come here, so you guys can come here for a drive or for a ride, especially in the morning time, and at the night time it looks more beautiful, because these are the street lights, right? So it used to glow both sides, so the road looks very good. So before the road was this one, this right side, this one. Now the road is this one. So these are the street lights, right? It looks really very beautiful, especially at night time, because both sides it has been it used to glow, right? Especially for the road. Yeah, the road looks really awesome, man. There is no one. Why I'm the only one here for a rider, towards the rider. Why this road is really very good, man, to ride. Just see how beautiful it looks. Woo! My God, this feeling is like wow. My God, there is no one, bhai. Putting the visor in this manner, right? When I'm putting the visor down, so bhai, the weather used to become very dark, because the visor is tinted, right? So before I was using normal one, right? The transparent one. So that is like normal for me. But after this, when I'm going to use this, bhai, the weather has become very dark. So I'll have to practice each and every day, especially with this kind of visor, because it's my first time using this kind of visor, bhai. And for my like personal recommendation, bhai, this kind of visor, especially, it used to be very costly, and the quality is like A1 quality, but you'll have to be very careful, bhai, because a single scratch also it used to come, and it is visible on the visor that other person will be able to see that there are scratches on your visor. So you'll have to be little bit careful, man. But the road is like wow, man. Especially I can recommend you all for a personal drive, for a driving or for a riding, come this road, especially at morning, day or night time. To talk about especially about this road, these two road, bhai. These two road are like banner to nahi hai. The banner is that side, bhai. So these two road are like, if you guys will come from here, right, this from this after crossing Air Force, before the road was this one. Don't take this road. I'm saying you again, don't take this road. Don't take this road, because in future this road is going to be highway. Especially people are not going to use that road. I'm going to show in the video also this road, where this road leads, because this is a new road specially for the tourists and especially for the people, so that people are going to take this road, not that road. Because in future, right, this road is going to be used as a highway. That will be the old road, and this is going to be a new road. And this road is like newly constructed, right? So it feels really good riding on this road. And there is one more flyover. I'm going to stop on that flyover, so that there are some view, and I'm going to check the top speed also of my bike on that road, how much top I can go, so that you guys can like clear that how much you guys can cope up with the speed. I'm not saying overspeed, bike never overspeed in especially Shillong road, because the road is like wow. Anyhow the road will become turn, and anyhow the road will become wow. So that is why I used to say that don't overspeed in Shillong roads, right? Now I'm saying don't go right, don't go left, just go straight. And this is the second flyover. And this is the second flyover, bhai. This flyover also looks really very beautiful. This is the road. This road leads to Nongstoin Road. Whoever know about this road, right, they don't used to go from that side. They used to come from here only for better riding and driving experience. Oh, this road also goes from here only. And I don't know what village is this. I don't know exactly the name, but the houses are really very beautiful out here, man. This is I have put from Flipkart. Okay. This also I have put it from Flipkart. I have got it from Flipkart, only these two part, and this is the part which I have got from aftermarket. I have ordered it from Kerala. It took around 1 week to reach till me, and after that I have put this. Just see how beautiful it looks like, man. Before the empty part was like different, and this is what I have put. Whoever is owning a Yamaha MT-15, just put this in your black Yamaha MT-15. Just put this. This is the best one, man. This is the chain cover. You'll have to, before it comes like this one. Now if you'll put this, people really used to get attracted. Whenever I used to stop my bike ride, people are like, what is this, what is this? So whoever is owning a Yamaha MT-15, just put this, man. This feels really very good, and especially the view from downside, your machine view will enhance. Now I'll go slow to show you the road, and after that I'll go little bit speed to check the road condition and to check my top speed. Just see how beautiful this place looks, man. Bhai Saab, what is this, bro? Like, arey, where you are coming by? How beautiful it is looking, man. This is really a very new road for the people of Shillong. Bhai Saab, it looks so beautiful. Especially the small houses present out here. This is 40 kilometers. I don't know what is that. But right side, it is 67 kilometers. Not this ride, huh? There is one ride. I'm going to show that also. So if you people are going to come this road, you guys will reach till there. I'm going to show also where you people will reach, so that you people will not have any kind of confusion that where you people are going if you guys are taking this road. So I hope there is no confusion, man, while taking the road. So this road is going to be the old road, and this road is going to be the new road. So I hope no confusion is there after seeing this video. Whoever is going to see this video, don't get confused and just follow me the way I have followed. So you guys will reach till here. This is the new road, and this is going to be the So this is going to be the new road, and this is going to be the old road. And this is how my visor looks like. This visor looks really very beautiful, but I'm still sad that after using only one time, my helmet was scratched. Only one time, bhai. And this is how beautiful the new road in Shillong looks. Why stop? This road is really very beautiful. Cars are coming by. And now I'm going to check the top speed of my Yamaha MT-15 on this road, so that whoever is going to come right, that they can little bit speed up, not over speeding, little bit, because I will never recommend, bhai, especially on the Shillong road, you guys will speed up. No bro, because I myself am scared, so I will never recommend, bhai, to overspeed, especially in Shillong road. Bhai, the road is very smooth, bhai, very smooth. I got 132 by 132. So you guys can come here. But the problem is that don't overspeed, because the road is there are not so much cars, and I'm doing this early in the morning around 8-6, because there are very less cars, right? That is why. Shanulit.
Hello.
Oh, Shillong.
Mafi.
Mga to Shillong ni.
Okay.
Phishong.
Em long.
Em long. Shong Philong. Shong. The road भी biang baba.
Baik kali ai namai.
Ai mai mga rutip pi.
Doktor baik kali.
Ai em long
Ai.
em long Shong rong Phishong. आ जाओ.
तो हो गया.
हो गया?
अब हो गया.
वो हंगने भाई थंगने ini hangne biang
Ya biar. San thô baik kali ya.
Mga chalo easy.
Let's go Tiom.
Mga le Shillong. Mga sa Shillong te. Mga sa
Kawati tidak gumno. Kawati te baik kali tak jiswa.
तो तो Phishong हंगने ओ फिलाइट मिनता इन्हें फ्रा बजे फिलाइट फ्रा बजे कनो बजे दुकान प्ली
Mga please, mari dah cukup mga awam. Mari dah siang di mar itu.
ना
Mari mar bar tiap ini baru tiap.
तो कनो बजे खांग
हाँ mga kena itu.
खंडाई बजे प्ली फ्रा बजे खांग खंडाई बजे अनि
Macam apa ni mesti kita. Wan sini apa ni kan?
ओ
Tapi wan try kena minta.
तंग हंगने
Oh wan hitam.
इन्हें रोड इन्हें बभा रोड ते इन्हें रोड तंग इन्हें रोड
Baru mafi ai, minta.
mga dan mga lade bam जाते lade उन्हें ब्रेकफास्ट हाँ
Bibit mafi terang.
oh yeah oh lawan Shillong
Temitalik setting le hayaw ni.
hangne mga bo hangne imran helmet te bang
Macam helmet te. Helmet omgam te.
jinjar te
Đó san thôm mà.
Mga नहीं चलो कुबले चलो चलो bless you mama bless you mga
Biết sao ăn hay hiểu.
हाँ चलो टाटा बाय बाय
Bye bye.
Woo! I told you right, the way you people are going to give respect, the same way you people are going to get back it in a very random way and in a very beautiful way. So I'm going to end the video here only. I'm back in Shillong only, so hope so you people like this video and go to that new road. I'm saying you go to the new road for a very beautiful experience. Hope so you people like this video. So like, comment and just subscribe and वो मत भूलना.